And one. All right, this morning we are going to look at section 1.2, grouping symbols. Some of the grouping symbols you've used in the past, parentheses, obviously, so when we do order of operations, or parentheses, brackets, they are just another form of parentheses. Every now and then you'll see these things. I can't draw them very well, something like that. It's just another form of a bracket. And then the last type you will see, you don't necessarily think of it as a grouping symbol, but a very long fraction is a type of grouping symbol. Normally, when we do order of operations, we would divide before we would add or subtract. But if you have a division bar separating two problems, you do those two problems first. So that is our separation. So in this case, we would do 12 plus 4 is 16. 15 minus 7 is 8. So now we divide. So it kind of changes the order. So we would get our answer to be 2. So we separated. This separates our order. So it groups this problem, and then it groups this problem, and then we'll work. All right. The other types you'll see, basic order of operations. We want to look at the difference in these two problems. So we've changed the parentheses. We have the same exact numbers, but that changes our order. So this says we do inside this parentheses. So we do 5 minus 3, which is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. But over here, our parentheses, what do they mean? Multiply. They mean to multiply. So we have 6 times 5, 30. So how your parentheses are, or where they are, that tells you what you need to do. So it's going to change things. Okay. So now let's take one that has brackets and parentheses. So we have brackets, so we know we have to start inside here. But in there, we also have a parentheses, so we need to start even further. So you go to your innermost grouping symbol, and that's where you're going to start. So in this case, we start in this parentheses, 7 plus 6 is 13. So rewrite the problem. Now we have still another inside of a grouping. So we have 52 divided by 13. Which gives us 4. 18 minus 4 is then 14. Okay, let's do one last problem. Do we have any grouping symbols on this one? No, but we go back, just use regular PEMDAS. So talking back, multiplication and division are on the same level, but we go whichever is furthest to the left. Same with these. So we're going to start right here. Right. So 12 times 2 is 24. Rewrite our problem. Now we have division. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Now we look at left to right. So 19 minus 7 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. So again, most of this is not new. It's order of operations you've done several times starting probably 6th grade. Our newest part today is when we have the grouping symbol between the fractions, or in the fraction. So what I want you to do on page 8, let's look at, do the same as yesterday. 1 to 33 odd on page 8. So on page 8, written exercises, 1 to 33 odd.